Then place it on top. And make sure you do it very carefully, looking at the edges as well. Hey guys, this is Second Gen. So today I'm going to show you how to install the Whitestone Dome tempered glass on your Samsung Galaxy Note 9. And this method can work on any Samsung devices, especially for Note series, just to make this tutorial more easy for you guys. Anyways, the first step is to make sure you unbox the Whitestone Dome, which I already done on my side. So do yours, just pause this video and take out all of those clips, cloth, and whatever is inside that box. Now use the provided alcohol to wipe your phone. With the top lid, make sure you apply the white thing on the sides to make sure that if there's any excessive, it won't spill on the device. Now remove the two adhesive as well as the brackets, and we'll show you the next step. Now with this one, you have two pair of sticker. Use one of them and place it on the top headset of your device to avoid any spillage of the adhesive once you apply it. Now use the same alcohol to wipe your device and dry it off. Place the device on the base as shown on this video and make sure that you wipe the device. Also use the dust remover sticker to remove any dust on the screen. Now take the top lid and place it on top of the base. Take the brackets, add it on top close to the headset. Insert the clip just like that. Take one of the adhesive and spin around the red area until you see the adhesive part. Now simply insert on top of the brackets and then spin it around until it fully tightens, otherwise halfway through. Now with the top lid, just spin it around until it releases the adhesive, and make sure you do this process very carefully. Gently remove the bracket. Peel off the plastic on the tempered glass. Then place it on top. And make sure you do it very carefully, looking at the edges as well. So just like that, then you drop it once you feel everything is fine. And make sure that there's no dust inside. If you feel there's any dust, then take out the tempered glass, keep it on side, and use the dust remover. Now just move it a little until it reaches the midpoint of the device. And then simply take out the clip. Now let it alone until it fully covers the entire tempered glass with adhesive. Now with your UV LED, make sure you connect to the power source and then just hold on the button to turn on the UV LED. Now keep it on the top or bottom of the device, and until it closes, move on to the next step. Now gently remove the top lid, just like so. Now take a device and make sure that you don't hard press on the tempered glass. Now repeat the same process of LED. Wipe the device using the alcohol cloth and be gentle, especially on the edges and sides, and avoid the alcohol contact on adhesive as it may be wet and potentially causes bubbles within the tempered glass. So here's the final product. It looks very great. There's no issues at all. However, there is some bubble on top left corner. However, it's not that much noticeable, so we'll let it go. The touchscreen is very nice, very responsive. There's no issues at all, and as you can see, it is very and high quality. Anyways, guys, that's basically it. And see you guys in the next one. Peace.